Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So, I was taking a few days off after my challenge, but I've been informed by another YouTuber, Paul Frost, that a section of truss has gone up this morning. And again, Everton haven't told us about it, which is disappointing, because we'd like to be here and you know, see it going up. As do the fans want to see it going up, you know what I mean? So, but there it is in place anyway. It's on the south stand, and yeah, I've got down here as fast as I can to get some footage of it. Just turns about 12:30 on a Tuesday afternoon. Paul did inform us about 10:30, but I've been busy this morning. Just had things to do, really. But yeah, there's the next truss in place, the centre section, if you like, of the south stands. So there's another few pieces to go up now, really. Well, what, 6 pieces to go up, really. So that at the back there, that's got to be extended more, and then the rest of the truss to be lifted into place, if you like. So I'm going to walk along, try and get some more different angles of it. See if we get harassed by the security again for putting it through the gate. Which I'm not actually putting it through the gate, and just getting a better angle from a public area. Oh yeah, it looks good. That's going to be the support beam in it that holds them up. Just there. I apologise for the noise as well. There's a lot of lorries going past, as you can imagine. It's a massive building site. Oh, yeah, that doesn't seem to be moving at all, does it? There's one of them massive cranes moving into place. Don't think there's anything attached to it. Move fast though for such a big rig, don't they? Oh, I don't know where it's going. So yeah, I'll walk along and see what else I can get footage of. So I've started at the south stand. I'm going to move a bit further down the road towards Costco. So yeah, so let me show you where I'm going to be going. So I'll walk down. It's easier. So this is the dock road heading towards the Basque Bridge, just there. So yeah, there's security on the gate just over the road, so I'm gonna be cheeky and go over there and try and. It's not being cheeky. I'm standing. I'll be standing on that cycle path, if you like. So you can see that pillar in the middle there. That's where I stand. So I've even got no risk of getting hit by a car. Wait till the road's cleared, and I'll cross over. It says over. There we go. Gates are open. If you don't want to be filmed, you can shut the gates. As simple as that. Right. There we are from this angle. You can get it all in here, you see. Guys up there on the cherry picker, I'll just zoom into that. There we go. It's impressive looking, isn't it? That's the end there. Slowly go across. There's the end, so I'll just zoom out a touch, get more of it in. There you go. You alright, mate? What time did that get lifted into place?
What, the other...
The south stand section there, yeah? Early this morning?
At 8 o'clock this morning.
8 o'clock. No, only get told by Everton, but yeah, but we haven't been told anything.
We have the Everton drone fella here this morning.
Mr. Drone?
No,
oh, sorry.
Yeah,
I get. Is it big drone, Annie? Massive drone?
Yeah. He said he got a call yesterday off Severfield, who are the steel people. He said Everton never told him.
Wow, really? Surprising that, because they normally let us know when it's happening so we can get down here and get some footage, but yeah. No, thanks for that anyway, cheers. I'll keep you off camera.
Cheers, man.
No worries. You know what, and that's how you deal with the public, you know, when you're security. Just give me a bit of information there. No one knew about it. Even a guy who works for Everton didn't know about it, so, yeah. So the guy who does the drone footage for Everton, I was at the rush here this morning. There's a bloody cherry picker underneath the stand there. Let's see what's going on there. Can't quite see from here. Wish they put my reading glasses on helps. There we go. No, it's all quite hidden. But there's that piece being, yeah, that's being lowered now, that big piece I was on about before. Let's see what they do with that. Yeah, so that seems to be all that's going on there. So yeah, I'll leave it here. It seems a nice way to security today. Nice to have a chat with me as well. So yeah, I'm happy with that. So walking back down the road now. Yeah, the security fellow was sound. So I don't feel that much hard done to now that we didn't get informed if they're not even telling the people who they hire to do the footage for them. Maybe the guy who tells us hasn't been told it was happening. But another thing is that, let me just get off that little bit of pad. Another thing is, maybe they weren't planned to lift it today. This just so that they had decent weather today and thought, right, let's get it up. Maybe it was planned for a couple of days' time. But the way this weather's going, and it's going to change rapidly soon. What's the day? Tuesday, apparently Thursday. It's going to get like Arctic temperatures. So I just drifted off there. So maybe that's the reason. Maybe it wasn't planned to get lifted today. You know, just that we want to try and get it on camera. You know what I mean? So, like, I'm really sticking to the rules with this. I haven't even brought my drone with me. Got my camera, my microphone, and my gimbal. That's it. Just want to get what I can. Let's just zoom out a touch. Just want to get what I can on camera. that I can share it on YouTube then, you know what I mean? So yeah, the view isn't great here, but we can have a look what's going on here. Don't think much has changed since the last point of me camera through this bit, but you can all have a look. Okay. Sorry if I'm sniffling, it's a little bit on the cold side. It's been a lot warmer than it has the last couple of days, but yeah, still a little bit on the cold side. You see the number plate on that car there, FC. Oh well, I'll get some footage from the main gate, see what's going on. Yeah, the EFC car's turned around and he's stopping and have a look. Right, crossed the road myself. And he stopped at red lights. Right, let's get these turned around. Just so I've got a wired microphone. I prefer wired microphones. Just check I haven't pulled anything else. Just tugged on it a bit. No, I'm honest. So there you go through the gate. Let's do a little bit of a zoom. Again, cameras just don't do it justice for the size. Even this section here, it's humongous. Yeah, I can see the lorry coming through now. Someone being friendly from the car, not. That's the joys of obviously filming in public. Yeah, there's people up on the top there, don't know what they're doing. They've just gone out of sight now. Fella in a yellow high vis just behind that post, and there's one in an orange vest, high vis vest. You can see the yellow one there. There's one in that orange one. He might have gone down the steps there, I don't know. Oh, let's bring it down. Suppose zooming in a touch gives it a better scale, doesn't it? So I'll go a bit further down the road. I've literally just cut myself off there, trying to. I'll go a bit further down the road now. Try and get some footage of the north stands. I'll probably call it a day because I'm not going to see a lot more from here. There's a big crane. There's a big yellow crane there. That's latched onto something in it, and there's the blue cherry picker there, so I'll go down and see what I can get. So a bit further down now. It looks like to secure on the back of the stand. I can't really see. Much better with the drone. I'll have the drone out tonight. I said that last time and didn't because I just had lots to do. But trying to complete my challenge as well, so I have to get, prepared and stuff beforehand. So yeah, there's some terracing getting lifted there. You can see that. That's going to be getting lifted. So that's what the guy in the yellow high vis and the one in the orange high vis are probably doing, to probably guiding that into place. You can see, let's bring it down a touch. Yeah, I'm zoomed into the max there, so you can see the guy anyway. Yeah, can't see the one in the orange high vis though. I don't know why I'm finding that so much of a tongue twister. Oh, let's get back round here. Keep it on maximum zoom, bring it down a touch, there we go. So yeah, I'm going to walk down a little bit more so you can get a better angle of what's going on there. It's about the best I'm going to get at this now. It just looks like they're securing up the back of the back or the back of the stand, isn't it there? Or is that the side of the sides of the stand? Oh, where the steps are going down. I think they're securing the terracing, aren't they? That's what they're doing. Zoom out a touch, because well, just a little bit of wall here used to be. That's a bit more. There we go. We've got the new wall here, and then slightly behind it is a obviously older wall. What did that used to be? What was that, part of a building, I take it? There's a lorry trying to pull in. Get out of the way, he wants to get mount the curb. Yeah, so there. And I'm right outside the water treatment centre and it stinks. It's not a pleasant smell. And yeah, you know what? I've got a really good view of the centre section there as well. Right, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to walk back to my car. If I see anything of interest, I'll record it. If not, thanks for watching and see you all at the next one. So I have come back. It's a slightly better angle of the stands. So still walking talkers and going along. Sun's really bright today as well. Great little angle this. See, when I walk them down this way, I didn't look back at it to see if it was any good. Oh, there it is in all its glory. A little bit closer in. And that's the latest section of truss. So yeah, again, thanks for watching and look after yourselves.